Jigsaw. Jigsaw is the 8th installment of the Saw franchise. And I saw it opening day, and I would say it was better than the last 3 movies. And it kept you, it kept you on your seat for the most part, to me. And it wasn't as gory as the other films, in my opinion, or The Green. It had a slightly different tone, I thought, than the other films. It's definitely one of the more entertaining Saw movies. And I would definitely go see it without any spoilers. I thought the characters were alright. I mean, they weren't as strong as like the first 3 movie characters. And I think the guy who played, I think it was Ryan, he was probably one of the better characters that were in the film. And let's see, good music, of course. It didn't have the normal type of theme. It was kind of more orchestrated, I guess. This film felt more like it had a budget than the other ones, in my opinion. Definitely better than Saw 3D, even though I kind of like that one. Saw 6 and Saw 5 and probably Saw 4. Because 4 is where it went downhill to me. But all the Saw movies get a lot of hate for some reason, but Jigsaw is worth seeing.